Oh, you're just the cutest baby. Time for your bottle.
Nah, don't want.
Oh well, more for me. What about some tasty yogurt? Mmm, nice and creamy. Here you go, darling. Try it. You need to eat something. Hold on. I think I know what to do. I'll take the pot of yogurt and add food coloring. Now I have to give it a good mix. What a vibrant color. That should do it. Look at this, honey.
Oh, wow, it's blue. Gimme!
Eat it all up, princess.
It's so yummy!
Oh, my little girl is growing up. Let's clean that gorgeous face. Missed a spot. Are you having fun? Such a clever boy. Huh? Where did he go? He's a baby. He can't have gone far. Where are you? Ouch! There's too many toys lying around. Guess I should clean up. Are you in here? I can hear you. Why is he so good at hiding? Maybe you're in this cupboard? Stop! Don't run away! Got you at last! Give Mummy a hug. I think we need to stop you from sneaking away. And this playpen will be perfect. Let's see you break out of this. I should have thought of this earlier. And now I can get back to my book. It worked so well. Okay, sweetheart. Open wide.
No, it's yucky!
You need to keep your teeth nice and clean, darling. Okay. Look at the pretty unicorn.
Wow, Mommy! Let me see! Hold on, this is a toothbrush. You tricked me!
I can't do this all day. I've got it! These pebbles might be useful. For this tip, all you need is decorative pebbles and a cartoon drawing like this. Apply glue to the pebbles, then stick them onto the drawing. Repeat this until you have toothy smiles. Use a pen to stain the pebbles. Looks like they forgot to floss. Honey, do you want to play a game? We need to clean all the stains from the teeth.
Wow, Mom! These teeth are so dirty! Look, Mommy, I'm doing it! They're all clean now. Maybe I should clean my teeth too, Mommy.
Good idea. Here's your brush.
My drawing is nearly done. This pen is broken. Maybe if I lick it. It's still not working. This is so annoying. Stupid pen. I want to finish my drawing.
Careful, dear.
Let's try the pink. This isn't working either.
That was close. That's enough. What's wrong?
I can't finish my drawing. My pens aren't working.
Well, that's a real problem. I wonder if I can do something. I've got it. Mommy will make everything better.
Hurry!
Take a cleansing wipe and fold it over. Next, place the wipe onto a strip of tape. Place a cotton swab on the wipe. And roll it up. Make sure to keep the cotton swabs free. Roll it onto the tape and then cut it. Now drip colored ink onto the swab. The cleansing wipe will absorb the ink. A quick and easy pen. Here you go, sweetie.
Wow! I can draw again! Thanks, Mommy! This is great! I'm gonna draw the sun.
That's amazing, dear.
This is so much fun!
Time to go, sweetheart. Mommy needs to go and stop bad guys. Put the toy down. You need to put on your jacket.
Thanks, Mommy.
You're such a big girl. And a heavy one. Someone likes their food.
This is a fun game, Mommy.
Ooh, I think I have a hernia. Okay, get your boots on. Cheryl, get back here. Look at her go. She's just so adorable. Maybe I could cuff her. No, I'd be a bad mother. Although… Spread 'em! I'm innocent, Gopper! I didn't do anything wrong! Yeah, right, I've heard that one before. You're going downtown. That gives me an idea. I just need these handprints. I'll cut them into circles. And then stick them to the wall.
Hey, Mommy!
Let's play a game! Think you can put your hands on the wall?
Okay. This is easy, Mommy. Look, I'm doing it. What now, Mommy?
Stay there, darling. You're doing so well. Yeah! You did it! You won!
Did I? Yeah!
Okay, now let's go. La la la. I really enjoy cleaning. Oh, a call. Wow, that's so kind of her. Granny's coming to visit, and she has a gift for you. Isn't that exciting? Yoo-hoo! I'm here! Who's that glamorous granny? Hi! Come on in! There's my gorgeous boy. Look what Granny has. You're growing into such a big boy. So good to see you. Now, will we open this gift? What do you think? Oh no, this isn't right. I'm so sorry. This is completely wrong. It's okay, Mom. He can grow into them. See? Almost a perfect fit. They're great. Look! Why don't you try walking in them? Okay, they might be slightly too big for him. I like them. Wait a minute. I know how to fix this. Stand on that piece of paper, sweetie. I'll draw around your foot. That's it. Good boy. Now to cut out the footprint. Hey, Mom! Take this! What do I do with this? Oh, I see. I want shoes in this size. It's for my grandson.
Just a moment. I think these might fit.
Let's try this. The ideal size. I'll take them.
Oh, thank you. Have a great day!
Okay, dear. Granny has the right shoes this time. Shall we try them on? Left foot first. We'll just tighten the strap. They look much better. I'm so happy. How can someone have so many poppets? Now for the rest. I think that's them all. Oops, almost forgot. In you go. I'll just cover this up. I think we're ready. You can come in!
Whoa! What's this? There's so many poppets!
You'll need these goggles.
Thanks!
Okay, find the simple dimple. Go!
This is awesome!
Time is ticking! Quick, come on!
Oh! It's a race! It must be in here somewhere!
Go, go, go!
I can't find it! Wait! Got it, Mommy! I did it!
That's my girl. Well done! I'm so proud of you. Now let's have some fun!
You're the best, Mommy!
Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun and useful videos just like this one.